Hello, Habibi here. On my previous video, you were seeing that I was optimizing my locomotive, and in this video I'm going to optimize the wagon. But I want to let you know that I made some adjustment to the wagon. I set the pivot point back to the center of the object like this. Previously I was setting it up. I was setting the pivot point to be at this position. Now I set it back here, and then the next thing is I have deleted the wagons. So here I'm going to create new wagon based on this locomotive. Basically my wagon should be exactly the locomotive, and if I place the wagon, the copy of the locomotive like this, behind this first wagon, if they are moving together, it will give us uh, some illusion that they are wagons. Here, let me show you. I'm duplicating this object and placing them this way, and if I click play button, they will move together. These two are overlapping and crashing, so let me reposition them again. Each wagon, make sure it is touching the destination point like this. Also this one, and let me see this one. Okay, they are moving together. Only make sure that they are not overlapping or overlapping each other, otherwise they will break out. Okay, what is the next thing that I need to do? Maybe I will let me delete these two locomotives, and I rename this copy of locomotive as wagon, and I place it here to make a prefab of it. Then because I'm using it as a wagon, I will need to change the shape of the appearance of this object, so I will remove this part and also this cube, just making sure that it looks different. And can I duplicate them? Let me place them closely like this, and this one also. And also this one. To make sure that they will move all together without problem, we need to make sure this our railroad has enough resolution. I mean, it should have enough destination points, these cubes here. So I will edit this railroad, and I will I will place them close to each other, more closer. Let me edit it here, okay, so I can see it clearly. this one is fine. Maybe here. Maybe I will place them every evenly like this. Okay. Here we go. One more I think. Okay, let me go out of this prefab and let me check, and I will do the same thing for this one. Okay, I'm going to pause the video and do it, then get back to you again. Okay, this is for this one, and what about the other? Let me see this one. Okay, let me do the same thing here. Okay, let me go back to main scene. Still I have this one with low resolution. Which one is it? Railroad 4. Okay, hang on. Okay, let's go back, and here we go. We have high resolution of railroad here, and try to play the game again. Okay, let's see how it is turning. I think not bad. It's not bad, I think. You can see it here. Here we go. The train is moving in railroad circuit. Toy railroad. Yeah, I'm planning to make a toy train game, so I don't care if this train doesn't look realistic. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and I will continue this progress later. See you next time on my next videos. Bye bye.